Measure 2 pieces of Wakaflex 11 inches long. Fold both pieces lengthwise with one side 4 inches wide and the other side 7 inches wide. Place the 7-inch wide section onto the tiles and 4-inch wide section up the wall. Adhere the Wakaflex to the tile and the wall. Cut the Wakaflex down along the wall. Flatten the overhang even to the roof decking. Place the second piece of Wakaflex onto the first, sufficiently overlapping each to cover the cut at the corner of the first piece. Press both pieces tightly together to create a bond. Set the metal sidewall flashing over the Wakaflex flashing. Turn up the end of the Wakaflex 1 inch at the metal sidewall flashing to create a trough. Mechanically fasten the Wakaflex and the metal sidewall flashing to the wall to hold them in place. Install the tiles as required by code.